ritual for me helps because it gives me that extra bonding time with Ozzy. Also, if I've got a busy week, I know that Friday is my night with Ozzy. I'm Stefan, I'm a landscaper. I live in this small apartment here with my big dog Ozzy. Follows me around like a shadow. I take him to the pub with me, I take him to football with me. I work from home, so a lot of the time when I'm working from home, he's lying next to me, sleeping, working hard. I started making this Friday night ritual for Ozzy because I work on a Saturday, so Friday nights aren't wild. Why not do a nice meal and spend it with my best friend? I do like to eat healthy generally, but on a Friday night I might treat myself to bangers and mash, but I'll still be healthy and have some broccoli on the side, and if I'm eating broccoli, so is Ozzy. I like to set the table at dog height, light some candles, make it cosy, and make it generally more enjoyable for both of us. The main benefit of having Oswald is I could be having the worst day ever and he'll make it better, but I could also be having the best day ever and he'll be making it even better. Walking through the door and seeing his big droopy eyes and wagging tail never fails to put a big smile on my face. It's also been very good for my mental health, all-round well-being. I'm never lonely, I've always got Ozzy with me. I view Ozzy absolutely as family. I call myself a dog dad. The reason I started doing this ritual is because I found myself getting busier at work and it just gave me an opportunity to spend more time with Ozzy.